Hello Mzansi and welcome to Out Mzansi. People have been asking, was Maselela Teffo telling the truth when he said his arrest warrant was bogus and he had no knowledge of the court date he had missed? Advocate Teffo was detained recently at the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria, where he is representing men accused of murdering Bafana goalie Senzo Meyiwa. After the Meyiwa murder trial was postponed, he was handcuffed and transferred to the court's holding cells. The arrest took place in front of reporters. After Teffo allegedly failed to appear in court for a different matter in which he is the defendant, the Hillbrow Magistrate Court issued an arrest warrant. The warrant was postponed until February the 10th, according to the NPA. Teffo, on the other hand, did not appear in court on that occasion. The advocate informed the media after his detention that he had a warrant of arrest cancelled on December the 28th in 2021 and had no idea he was expected to appear in court on January the 27th. He said that he was detained and charged with trespassing in 2020, but the charge was dropped when he made representations. The advocate said this arrest comes from Begicele and the National Commissioner's concerns regarding my role in the Senzo Meyiwa case. They already know what's going to happen to them. He also informed the press that the arrest warrant used was a forgery and that he had one revoked in 2021. Teffo appeared in the Hillbrow Magistrate Court on Friday. His lawyer first informed the court that Teffo was unaware of the court date, which is why he didn't show up on January the 27th. After speaking with Teffo, he revised his tale, claiming that his client had not shown up because he was suffering from COVID-19. The magistrate stated that he was the presiding officer when the postponement on the 27th of January was made in front of Teffo and his lawyer. Teffo's counsel did not object to this remark, despite Teffo informing the SABC that he was unaware of the court date. He clearly did not keep his story that he was unaware of the court date, instead instructing his counsel that he failed to show up because he was suffering from COVID-19. The judge noticed neither Teffo nor his counsel told the court about him being unable to appear owing to presenting with COVID-19 symptoms. Despite his claims on the eve of his detention that the arrest warrant was bogus, it was not contested or challenged in court the next day. It is reasonable to assume that if the arrest warrant had been fake, Teffo as an attorney would have disputed its legitimacy. His assertion that the warrant for his arrest was cancelled on December the 28th is correct, but the way he presented it to the public may have been deceptive, as the warrant he was arrested on Thursday had nothing to do with the earlier warrant. According to the NPA, a warrant of arrest was issued on November the 24th, but it was not served until December the 28th, when Teffo appeared in court. Teffo appears to have merely told the media half of the tale. His representations on the trespassing allegations were effective and the charge was later dropped. However, he remains charged with assault, which the NPA stated had not been dropped. Teffo was arrested according to police for allegedly assaulting a female officer and entering a police station in Gauteng despite a high court order preventing him from doing so.